Hello everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity 10. Today in this video I will teach you how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Click on New and name your virtual machine. Here it will automatically choose the type and version of the virtual machine. You can also change the version according to your need. Now click on Next and set your memory size. And then click on Next. Now leave it at default. Click on Create. Again click on Next. Again click on Next. And then here fetch the size of the hard disk and then click on Create. Leave it at default, and then here we have successfully created our machine. Now open the settings, go to System, and here you can change the CPU according to your need. Then go to Storage, and here insert your ISO file. After that, just click on OK and start your virtual machine. Now you will see the installation page. Here select your language and click on Install Ubuntu. Now again select your keyboard layout and click on Next. Now leave it as default and click on Continue. Now leave it the installation type as default and click on Install Now. Now it will ask for the confirmation. Now click on Continue and confirm. Here select your location and click on Continue. Now here set your username and password. And click on Continue. Now this process will take some time to install the OS. So here we have successfully installed the Ubuntu operating system. Now click on Restart. So now you can see here we have successfully installed the Ubuntu OS on VirtualBox. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my efforts, then like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that you don't miss upcoming videos. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.